We will talk about direct and indirect speech, which is also known as narration. First of all, how to define it? So, we should define it in such a way the statement of a speaker is expressed by two ways. This process is known as speech or narration. There are two kinds of narration or speech. First one, direct speech. When the statement of a speaker is placed or put without any change, it is said to be in direct speech. Here is one example. He said, I am a student. Now, indirect speech. When the statement of a speaker is placed or put with a little bit change, it is said to be in indirect speech. For that, we have one example. He said that he was a student. Now, in order to know about narration in detail, first of all, we will have to know about the four grammatical terms that will often be used in this chapter. Example, the sentence is given. He said, I am a student. There are four parts. First one, the sentence which lies before inverted commas, that is known as reporting speech. In the same way, the sentence which lies under inverted commas, that is known as reported speech. Now, the verb of the reporting speech is known as reporting verb, and the verb of the reported speech is known as verb of the reported speech. Here are some rules. To change direct speech into indirect speech, in all cases, direct speech, there are some general rules which will be used in all cases, means will be used with all kinds of sentences. Now, the first one, comma and inverted commas are removed, and the conjunction that is used in between reporting speech and reported speech. Here are examples. He said, I am a student, that is direct speech, and when we change it, then he said that he was a student, that was indirect speech. Now, rule number 2. The sentence inside the inverted commas always starts with capital letter. Rule number 3. When the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb of the reported speech will be the same. Means there won't be any change in the form of the verb of the reported speech. He says, I am a student. He says that he is a student. He will say, I was a student. He will say that he was a student. Now, rule number 4. When the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the verb of the reported speech changes as follows. So, when the sentence is in simple present. Example, Sita said, I am a student, that will change into indirect speech. Sita said that Sita said, I am a dancer. Sita said that she was a dancer. When the sentence is in present continuous, such as Sita said, I am dancing, that will change into the indirect speech. Sita said that she was dancing. Now, the third one, present perfect. Sita said, I have danced. In the same way, that will change. Sita said that she had danced. So, dear students, for today, it is more than sufficient